Hey, this is Thurman with S&M Cleaning Service, also one half of Clean Freaks Podcast. Hey, I just want to give a big special shout out to Mike Peterson. That's Mike Peterson for encouraging us to produce this for this content today. We've been working on it for a little while, but I think we are very excited to share this with you all. And I believe this will help you all if you are in a decent sized area, a city or whatnot that has Facebook groups. So we encourage you and show you step by step how to join Facebook groups and also how to share free promo ads. Excuse me, free promo ads in local Facebook groups. It helps us a lot. There's a lot of businesses that we that see our ads. Also, in the past, when we were doing some residential, there would be some people that would see our ads and for us residential as well. We have a lot of commercial clients that see our ads, see our pictures or videos, depending on which ad we do. But we want to encourage you also to, before you share your ads in these Facebook groups, please follow the rules of the group. Some groups you may can post one a day, maybe 100 a day, or one a week. And there's some groups that don't allow promotions at all, or they may allow promotions on a certain day. So make sure that you follow the rules and the guidelines for these groups. Okay. All right. Let's get into it.
Okay, all right. The first thing you want to do is hopefully you already have a business page already set up. That would help a lot. And already have videos or pictures, promo, or examples of your work that you do. For us, of course, we do janitorial, floor work, cleaning. And from your business page, you want to try to join as many local groups in your area as you can that allows promotion. Some only allow pictures, some allow videos, some allow both. And like I said previously, some you can post one a day, 100 a day. You might have a certain day of week or a certain day a month that you can post. So keep up with those. Generally, we try to use just the ones that you can post daily. Some of them may be 4 or 5 posts per day, but generally we try to stay with the ones that you can post daily. And like I said, you go on your business page and just search for these groups, type in whatever city you're in. Of course, we are searching in the Atlanta, Georgia area for here. So once we find a group, we join that group, and then whatever video, this particular video, we're doing some LVT wood, and we're going to share that video in this particular group. Let's see what group we're going to pick. Okay, networking in Greater Atlanta. Check your rules. Always go back and check your rules to make sure that you're on point. And some groups, like I said, you can only post one a day or maybe a certain day. So always check your groups because you don't want the for them to be denied or get your account suspended or anything, get in trouble like that. So just make sure that you're posting them on the correct days, times, and not doing anything that you're not supposed to do. Generally, we try to tag all our posts back to our business page. And for the person that's interested to show some interest, where there's no problem for them to link back to our business page. Also, be prepared for them to follow up or comment on the post that's in the group. So always make sure that you have your notifications turned on. Make sure you're checking your messenger, business page messenger, personal messenger. Make sure you have all those on because you don't want to miss a potential client. It's happened to me before. I can't say how many times it's happened in the past, but now, of course, we learned a lot now. Also, we try to join as many groups as we can in our business page. Now, there are going to be some groups that won't allow you to join in your business name or your business page. So you have to join the group in your personal name, in your personal account. But don't those no problem. You still can share it. Share your promo ad, video, or pictures. You still can share them in groups. You just have to share them using your name, and it still will revert back to your business page. Also, sometimes we tag our location. Sometimes we don't, just depends. Some groups you might want to keep it generic. Say for instance, if you're like say for instance in Atlanta, Georgia area, if we run an ad, excuse me, in Marietta, they may not want us to tag Atlanta, excuse me, or vice versa for Decatur, which is another Atlanta suburb. So sometimes we don't do the tag, sometimes we do. It just depends. Sometimes you might not want to share a promo ad, like I said, that says Decatur, Georgia, and you got it tagged in Marietta, Georgia, or vice versa. So be aware of that. There are some groups that we share pictures, some groups that we share videos. Certain days we might share pictures, some days we might share videos. It just all depends. Also, make sure that you check with the rules of the group. Some groups only allow pictures, so keep that in mind as well. Be advised, whenever you see no promotion or spam, no promotion, always turn arounds in the group. Just turn around, exit out of there. You don't want to share your promotion pictures or videos in those groups. You don't, because it will just get you in trouble. This helps if you have multiple business pages. Multiple business pages. We have two. Of course, we serve the Atlanta, Georgia area, and we also service the Nashville, Tennessee area. So we have two business pages for each area, each city. So we just switch over our profile to the Nashville, Tennessee business page, and we do the same thing there. Just share them in the local groups in the Nashville, Middle Tennessee area. This process of sharing your promotion videos or pictures can be done desktop or over your phone. Uh, stay tuned to stay in the video, and I will show you some screen shot videos of me doing it on my telephone.
Hey, all right. One of my routines daily, I try to do daily if I'm not out in the field, if I'm just out in the office or at home or something like that, is I try to daily share promo ads on these local Facebook groups, Nashville or in Atlanta. Try to do that. I try to also make sure that you keep up with the ones that you can only share one per day or one per week, or that's limited, the ones that are limited. So make sure you keep an eye on that, keep a count on that, and share and follow all the rules. But it's something that I try to do daily, and also you want to make sure that you monitor your messenger and your notifications, because if someone sees your ad and they're comment on it, they may not actually call you, or they may not email you, but they may just respond right there at that ad. So make sure that your notifications are turned on. Make sure you're monitoring your messenger. Hey, and as always, if you're in the Nashville, Tennessee area or in the Atlanta, Georgia area, and you're needing commercial janitorial service, hey, or floor care, please give us a call. And if you're not in these areas, or if you are in these areas and you just want information, just to help you out or anything, we'd be happy to do that as well. And also, we want to please like, share, and subscribe to our podcast, and that's Clean Freaks Podcast, Clean Freaks Podcast, and subscribe and lock in with us. And we're giving a lot of game, a lot of tea in that as well. Thank you.